What's up guys, today I'm going to show you a really quick and impressive tilapia recipe. Stay tuned.
The ingredients are pretty simple. Tilapia, you can get frozen or fresh. We're going to use relish, a garlic salt from Trader Joe's, lemon pepper from Trader Joe's, a hand blender. We're going to use that to make our own mayonnaise. Now you can use out of the box mayonnaise and use relish to make the tartar sauce, but we're going to make our own mayonnaise. We're going to use extra light tasting olive oil, a lemon, and 1 egg. We're going to add also the garlic salt to that. We're going to start with the mayonnaise. Again, if you have mayonnaise that you'd like to use, you can just skip this part up until the relish part. You're going to put the relish in later. For the mayonnaise, we're going to start with 8 ounces of extra light tasting olive oil, crack 1 full egg. It doesn't matter the size of the egg. Garlic salt, half a lemon, that's all there is to it. Now just put the hand blender in and blitz it all. As soon as you start blitzing it, you'll notice that the mayonnaise starts to form. Once it starts to get to the top, just go up and down on the hand blender. Take your time, a minute or two, just to make sure all the oil is mixed in properly. Once all the oil is mixed in, you'll have full mayonnaise. Now we're going to make the tartar sauce. We're just going to toss in some relish. Put the relish in and then just blitz it again. Once the tartar sauce is done, store it in the refrigerator until you need it. Right now we're going to go cook the fish. So to prepare the fish, I'm going to use frozen tilapia. We're going to pat them dry. So go ahead and cut them open with scissors and just place each one on a piece of paper towel. After you've got all the fish there, just take another piece of paper towel, go ahead and just pat them dry. Once you've dried them up, take the lemon pepper and go ahead, season all of them generously. Stove on high. Go ahead and put your pan on there for about a minute just to heat it up. Once the pan is hot, start adding the olive oil. You don't want to add it before the pan is hot or else it'll burn. Olive oil in the pan, immediately afterwards, start placing your fish in. You should hear some sizzling. Adjust the pan and get the oil all around it. Now you want to place them with seasoned side down that you seasoned before, so you can season the other side. Leave them there for about 2 minutes and then flip them over. You should have a nice brown sear. Use a fish slice or a spatula, like myself. Leave them there for another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Go ahead and lay them out on a serving dish. I'm very OCD with how I lay them out. Very good and simple.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple yet nutritious recipe. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video below. Stay tuned for more simple and amazing videos from Life with Amir.